The best investments often take years to pay off, but for those with foresight and wisdom, a long-term investment can be very valuable. I'm Richard Mack, sheriff, author, and crusader for freedom, and I'd like to tell you about a long-term alternative energy investment that will save you hundreds of dollars a month, and virtually the only thing you're betting on is whether the sun will shine. If you receive your power from the electrical company, you are considered on the grid. Power flows into your home or business through a meter which measures how much you use. This lets the power company know how much to charge you each month. Generally speaking, the peak hours of electrical usage are during the day, when most people are active. The highest usage of the year is on hot, sunny summer afternoons when, in addition to all the normal activity of every day, air conditioners in homes and businesses everywhere are running full force. And coincidentally, this is when a grid tie system from Sun Pumps can help the most. A grid tie system is a series of solar panels or wind turbines connected to the electrical lines entering your home or business. In other words, these systems are tied to the grid. Grid-tied systems supplement or replace the power that is drawn into your home through your electrical meter. From the power company's point of view, it is as though this power was never used. The power company will never know or care how much power you didn't buy from them, but you will. It really is that simple. A grid tie system reduces your grid power consumption, lowering your utility costs. Now let's take it a step further. What if your solar panels are producing more power than you really need? Where does that extra power go? Well, that's simple enough. You're already on the grid, so why not sell that extra electricity back to the power company? When power from your home or business flows back onto the grid through your meter, your power meter essentially runs backwards, actually reducing the amount of electricity the power company can charge you for each month. Some newer meter styles now have separate gauges that measure power flow in each direction. Do you pay the power company, or does the power company pay you? It all depends on how much you use and how much you produce. Is your business closed on weekends? Well, if you have a grid tie system, your personal power plant is open for business, reducing your utility bill from dawn until dusk. Holidays are just another chance to save money with your grid tie system. Solar energy is not the only independent energy source that can be tied to the grid. You can also use wind power, or use a combination of solar and wind power to achieve a more constant supply when sunlight is not available. Sun Pumps can design this type of system for you as well and help you determine what type of system best fits your needs. The next question many people ask is, what if you want to keep running when the grid goes down? We've all experienced power outages, and they rarely come at a convenient time. If you want the security of your own power storage, you may want to add an optional battery backup to your grid tie system. Your grid tie system with battery backup will work like this. First, your solar or wind system will make sure your batteries stay fully charged. Next, the system will supplement your grid power as usual, with any surplus power going back into the grid. When the grid power goes out, your battery backup will instantly come online, supplying you with an uninterrupted power stream. There are no switches to throw, no adjustments to make. You may not even realize the grid power is out until the neighbors come over to find out why your lights are on. You can add as much or as little battery backup as you want, according to your budget and your electrical needs. If continuous power is important to you, a grid tie system with battery backup may be just the thing you need. Solar panels can be mounted on roofs, on the ground, on freestanding poles, nearly anywhere. Arrays of solar panels can be used as shades for picnic areas or parking structures. Their visual impact can be slight enough to avoid offending even the most discerning eye. And on many flat roofs, the panels are invisible from the ground. The necessary electrical boxes and inverters are normally installed on a wall near your existing service entrance. To get started on your system, just talk to one of the experts at Sun Pumps. Our knowledgeable and experienced staff will make sure you are fully educated on all the options and costs involved before you make any decision. We consider our customers to be the best informed in the industry, and we make sure that we understand your needs and your budget. A solar grid tie system may seem like a large investment, but there are many grants, rebates, and even tax credits available that will pay the majority of the cost of your system. Sun Pumps will walk you through the entire process, making sure you are able to take advantage of every incentive available in your area. The return on a solar grid tie system is not instantaneous. It will take at least a few years to pay for itself. But remember, this is a long-term investment. If you are looking for a surefire way to save hundreds of dollars per month and reduce the amount of power you purchase from the utility company, a Sun Pumps grid tie system is the bright thing to do. So think long-term with alternative energy. And when you think alternative energy, think Sun Pumps. As sure as the sun will shine.